Apartment rental insurance coverage in Pennsylvania. To get a cheap car insurance in Pennsylvania, you need to have a suitable and valid license, and your record needs to be clean. It will rather depend on the car insurance company whether it wants to include you in its client list. You need to be a good enough driver yourself to get an insurance, and without an insurance you will not be allowed to hit the streets. So there is no way out but to learn the wheel skills properly. It not that you will not be insured if in the past you have been responsible for a lot of accidents, but it will ensure that your insurance comes at a bigger price. Thus you need to fulfill certain criteria to be eligible for cheap car insurance Pennsylvania. If you are not a very good driver and you have proved it in the past, it will evidently mean that there is a huge possibility that you will be meeting another accident soon, and the insurance company will have to bear the costs. This is certainly not good for their business, and their charging more money is justified. There are two types of insurance that you can get hold of in cheap car insurance Pennsylvania. One is the limited tort insurance and another one is the full one. However, if you go for the former one, you will not be able to claim any refunds for your medical bills that take care of your injuries from an accident. It may not also choose to cover an infant who may be severely injured due to the accident. However, you save around 15% with this scheme. Going for a certain type of insurance requires proper understanding of the guidelines and rules. If you are going for full cover insurance, any damage that may occur to anyone because of the accident will get covered. It thus also depends on your confidence on yourself and your co-drivers, whom you will not usually rely upon. However, there has been reduction in the prices of both these type of insurance from cheap car insurance Pennsylvania. The full one that previous consumed most part of your monthly income now goes on to save around $800 for you at the end of the year. This fall has been the result of most drivers avoiding going for the insurance papers even if they wanted to. Everyone loves himself, at least if not for others, and ID money would not have been a problem. The first thing a city dweller would do is to get himself insured of any harm that might occur. But with car insurance things got a bit costlier and pinching. Cheap car insurance Pennsylvania is an important step towards making you and your family happy. There are a lot of lives that depend on you and they expect so much. If you are doing any harm to yourself, you are actually letting them down. There is nothing more costly than a human life, so never do disregard the safety of it.